Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Kiss, Debut, and Pitapat. I'm going to do a Smooshie and use Beauty Big Bang XL-094. This is Kiss and this is Debut. Beautiful, beautiful shimmery purple. And then the Kiss Gel in Pitapat, a nice dark gray. And I'm going to be using my Starry Night Scraper or Starry Sky Scraper from AliExpress. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to paint some nails. Well, most of the nails are going to be this gray color as the base. I'm going to leave the pointer nail gray, and then on the pinky I'm going to paint that purple. So here we go with my first coat. This polish has a great formula. It just goes on really smooth and it levels out really nicely. And as you can see, I have shortened my nails and kind of reshaped them. We're having some issues. And I didn't want to run into the, Christmas, winter season with broke, jacked up nails. So I just decided to, on my own, go ahead and file them back. And I gave them a little bit of a different shape. They're a little more almond, I guess. And now for this crazy purple. It is so luscious. I love this one. I love both of them actually. So I'm going to go in with the second coat of the nails that are going to stay their solid color. I'm not going to get the smushy on them. I'm going to do the smushy on the ring nail and the middle fingernail today. And these colors actually weren't ideal for a smushy. They're both of them are dark, but it's playtime, we playing. So I'm going to put some top coat on, and I'm using the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat today. I'm going to seal that one and this one down. The other ones, since I only did one coat, I just let them dry normal. It didn't take them long. Oh, we got a fuzzy. Fuzzy alert. I'm going to wipe over that one more time. Straighten out that fuzziness. I'll be using the Beauty Big Bang liquid latex today. I love this. It's in a really nice size bottle, and it seems to work really well. This will be like the second or third time I've used it. I'm not having any issues. It goes on nice. It dries quick, which is important for us. We want to hurry and get to the playing, so we want to get that, that protector down. So I am going in like usual on my little mini nail mat, and I'm just dropping in drops of the colors. You can even tell from this camera angle that they're both very dark and very similar, but one has a shimmer and one doesn't, so I'm hoping that'll work for me today. I'm just going to smush down and just start plopping that color on the nail, reloading as I need to. I love these little mats. They're great for using for the stamping plates and for smushies and decal making, things of that nature. I like the size of it. I can push it out of the way if I make a mess. I had somebody in a recent video ask me to do a video on that little mat, and I don't know that it really needs a whole video on it, but as you can see, it works great for this. My stamper's rolling across the table, y'all. Getting a little unruly up in here. So on a smushy, just keep going until you reach the desired look. You can keep adding and patting and tapping and add just the color you need more of, which, is really nice. It had been so long since I've done a smushy that I really wanted to do one. So even though this one's not like in your face, with all the, contrast, it's still good. I clean off my stamper on a lint roller when I'm doing smushies, just like I do when I'm stamping. And then I'm going to use my little tweezers to get this liquid latex up. Now you guys know I like to do the snap and pull, because I can't be trusted to pull something up over my nail without dragging it across the nail art. So I like to snap and pull. There we go. I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone and do a little bit of cleaning up here. Not too bad of a mess considering. Got one little piece up there by my cuticle that's just stuck. It don't want to go nowhere. So I'm just going to probably leave it alone. Nope. Can't leave it alone. Trying still. So there we go. With a little bit more cleanup. And we're going to do some stamping over this. Because, you guys know I can't leave well enough alone. So I'm going to top it with some of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat on those 2 Smooshie nails. The other 2 nails already have top coat, so I'm not worried about them. And I know from this angle, it just looks like a blob on my nail, but it's okay. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Thank you. Good job. And I'm going to cut this other one up. Now, in real life, I could totally see the difference in them because I was up close and I could see that shimmer in the purple. But, on camera, it don't look like nothing. There we go. A little up close, so maybe I can see it a little bit. Here we go with Beauty Big Bang XL-094, my monocle stamper, beauty scraper, and I'll be using Pure Ice Silver Mercedes today. Not a stamping polish, but it's one of my favorites for stamping. So I'm going to use a couple of different images off of this plate here. Just decided to get in kind of into the Christmas, but not just dead on Christmas, So there we go. That one covered that up a lot. Cleaning that stamper off on my lint roller. And this for some reason, this stamper's just acting goofy today. So I'm going to trade stampers. I might need to go clean it with some Dawn dish soap and let it air dry. So here's the other image I'm using. They're both kind of similar a little bit. Got the snowflake look going to it. And I'm going to use this Conad stamper instead. There we go. Much happier. Cleaning that plate with some pure acetone real quick. And then we're going to go in and do some more. This is great. I love these images, and they're etched so perfectly. I'm really impressed. Cleaning that stamper off again. And then heading on to my next image. I'll clean this plate off when I'm done playing. But both of these images kind of reminded me of Christmas sweaters or winter sweaters. And it's done snapped off cold here, so perfect timing for this. I'm going to use a little bit of tape to get up what I can off of my fingers around my cuticle area. And there we go. That's probably about as good as it's going to get today. I didn't put on any Burt's Bees or anything, so it's a little bit more stuck. I'm just going to go in with my cleanup brush and do a little bit of swiping and wiping. There we go. Get it clean. Alrighty. Now we're going to, excuse me, use some of the smudge-free top coat from Maniology over all these stamp designs. And once that is completely dry, I'm going to top it with the Posh Quick Dry Top Coat. And that Maniology top coat dries really quick, so I never have to wait too long. So there we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Back again. So here is my Mani in motion. You can kind of see the purple flashes. So much more real in real life. And my swatch photo. I would love to hear what you think about this one. Leave me a comment. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.